So we have a problem with the vinyls that we installed 4 years ago. We have some gaps opening up from here, here, and some places over there, and all the way in the middle here, and this one is so bad. This, and 2 more, one here, one here. This place moved because of the weight of the shoe rack. Put over here, drawers. So, and this whole place moved just because of the new cabinets, Peninsula countertop that we installed last year. So the reason is because of the weight is too heavy, and then the vinyls don't go all the way to the wall. And I can fix it just with a hammer, rubber hammer. I can just bang it on this part and goes all the way and covers it. I tried it several times, but it keeps opening up again. So what I'm gonna try to do this time around, I'm gonna use a wood block, or if you have a plastic block from the Home Depot, you can use that. And I'm going to use the carpet tape so I can put on top of the vinyl and put the block, and then just slowly bang it to cover it up. And I'm going to test it. Also, we're going to be using the vinyl linoleum adhesive. It's a glue, so it can attach properly. Let's try it without glue to see how long it's gonna stay for. And if it works, we're just gonna leave it like that. If it doesn't work, then we'll have to glue it so that we don't have a problem in the future like this. So we're gonna clean this space up right now with a toothbrush. Just clean the debris that are left over here, and that's all. And we're gonna vacuum it afterwards. Let's vacuum. So if you're not applying glue, you can just work with a rubber hammer and just fix the gap. If it works like that, you can just leave it like that. If it doesn't work, then you'll have to use glue. So this time around, you're going to be using glue. So I'm going to apply glue between the gap, the 2 vinyl planks over here, and we have a carpet tape right now. I'm gonna put it beneath the wood block, and the other part would go to here on the vinyl plank itself. So I'm gonna apply some glue here. Now I have to take out the back of the carpet tape and put it here. Just make sure it's firmly, and then I'm gonna bang it. I apply a little too much, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out the excess glue here. Yeah, when you're cutting the tip of the glue, just make sure you cut it just a little bit, so that you don't waste your glue like this. Cut it too thick. You can just make it like a thin one. So you just take out the excess glue here, and if just regular paper towel doesn't work, you can use wipes. Wipe parallel. Just tap a little bit on top, just to make sure it's sitting properly. This place is a little bit up. This place is a little bit down because the surface of the floor is uneven. So that's why we have a problem right now. Just bang it a little bit, but don't do it too much so that you don't break the threads off the vinyls. I think it's enough. So if you have a dumbbell, you can just put it here. Put it for as much as you can for 24 hours, so the glue can settle, and so that people don't walk over here. And that's it. So I did that. That one is good, just on one plank. But this one is going to be challenging because I have to move two of them from that side. But this one is going to be easier. I can just move it from this side. This one is going to be easier from this side. But those two would be super challenging because I'll have to move all the planks. I'll have to start from here, go, and then all the way down here in the middle. It's just like in the middle of the all the way here. But those ones were gonna be easier because I only have to move one plank, and I'm done with that. Hopefully it works out. So we do the same thing here, same process. Clean up, vacuum it, and then put a glue, and put the block, just bang it from the back and move it. Move all the planks. I didn't use glue for this one because the gap was too small. I'm not sure if it's gonna hold up. If not, then I'll have to use glue next time. Let's see how long it's gonna last. I'm not gonna use glue on this one either, but I'll use glue on this one. This one is a little bit too big, so let's see. So if you want to troubleshoot like why it's moving, so I tried to move from this side, but this side is too firm, so it didn't move that much. So I tried from this side and it moved. So probably I'm right because of the weight of the cabinets and the solid surface countertop, it causing the vinyls to be uneven and then moving a little bit, you know, and we step on here, put some weight, the threads are not there, they're damaged probably from inside. So let's see this one. I'll try to move from this side. If it does, then the problem is definitely from this side. If it moves from this side, then the problem is from this side, but most probably it's from the cabinet side. So when you apply glue, just make sure it goes all the way inside here. Just make sure that it doesn't stick out like this. So what I'm gonna use a wooden stick. If you have anything that can go inside, you can just work like this and it goes inside the vinyl. So I banged from this side. As you can see, I was right that this side actually moved. So I'm gonna close this one down right now, clean it up and go to that side and fix that. Some weight, dumbbell here, and we're good to go to the next one. So we're gonna do the same thing here. So the back is applied. You go slowly back from here. Just goes. Yep. And then clean up the glue. All right, everything is ready. Let's see in 24 hours. Hopefully everything is fine. Nothing will move. But the dumbbells, it's all over. So all the gaps are fixed. Everything looks fine here, over there, and over here. So let's see tomorrow. And let's see how long it'll stay. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please let me know.